Hello everyone. So today we will practice some NEET previous year questions of biology. So here is your first question. Which one of the following statement is not true regarding gel electrophoresis technique? A. The presence of chromogenic substrate give blue colored DNA brands on the gel. B. Bright orange colored brands of DNA can be observed in the gel when exposed to UV light. C. The process of extraction of separated DNA from gel is called elution. And D. The separated DNA fragments are stained by using ethidium bromide. So the correct answer is A, that is the presence of chromogenic substrate give blue colored DNA bands on the gel. See, as bright colored bands of DNA can be observed in the gel when ethidium bromide treated DNA is exposed to UV light. Here is your second question. What is the role of large bundle sheath cells found around the vascular bundles in C4 plants? Option 1, to provide the site for photorespiratory pathway. 2, to increase the number of chloroplasts for the operation of Kelvin cycle. 3, to enable the plant to tolerate high temperature. And 4, to protect the vascular tissue from high light intensity. So your answer will be second, that is to increase the number of chloroplasts for the operation of Kelvin cycle. See, the large cells around the vascular bundles of C4 plants form bundle sheath, and these cells have large number of chloroplasts to perform Kelvin cycle. Third question, which one of the following will accelerate phosphorus cycle? First, burning of fossil fuels. Second, volcanic activity. Third, weathering of rocks. And fourth, rainfall and storms. So your answer will be weathering of rocks. See, as we all know that phosphorus cycle is a sedimentary cycle. Reservoir pool of phosphorus in ecosystem is the Earth's, as we all know that phosphorus cycle is sedimentary cycle. Reservoir pool of phosphorus in ecosystem is the Earth's crust, or we can say lithosphere. That is why weathering of rocks accelerate this phosphorus cycle. Fourth question, identify the incorrect statement related to pollination. First, pollination by water is quite rare in flowering plants. Second, pollination by wind is more common amongst abiotic pollination. Third, flowers produce full odors to attract flies and bees to get pollinated. And fourth, moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agents among insects. So see over here, your answer will be fourth, that is moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agents among insects. See, among the animals, insects, particularly bees, are the dominant biotic pollinating agent. Okay, so the option 4 is your incorrect statement. Here is your fifth question. Which one of the following produces nitrogen fixing nodules on the roots of Elnus? Rhizobium, Frankia, Rhodospirillum, and Bigerunkia. So your answer will be second, that is Frankia. See, the microbe Frankia produces nitrogen fixing nodules on the roots of non-leguminous plants like Elnus. Your next question is, the flowers are zygomorphic in A. mustard, B. gulmohar, C. cassia, D. dhatura, and E. chili. So your right answer is B and C, that is gulmohar and cassia have zygomorphic flowers. Now what do we mean by zygomorphic? So when a flower can be divided into two similar halves only in one particular vertical plane, it is zygomorphic. For example, pea, gulmohar, bean and cassia. While mustard, datura and chili show actinomorphic flowers. Next question. Which one of the following statements cannot be connected to predation? First, it helps in maintaining species diversity in a community. Second, it might lead to extinction of species. Third, both the interacting species are negatively impacted. And fourth, it is necessitated by nature to maintain the ecological balance. So, a right answer will be third, both the interacting species are negatively impacted. See, one of the species in predation gains benefit on the expense of the other, as we all know that. Predators help in maintaining species diversity in a community by reducing the intensity of competition among competing prey species, as we all know that. If a predator is too efficient and overexploits its prey, then the prey might become extinct. So, your right answer will be third, that is, both the interacting species are negatively impacted. Eighth question. The process of translation of mRNA to proteins begins as soon as the small subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA, the larger subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA, both the subunits join together to bind with mRNA, and fourth option, the tRNA is activated and the larger subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. So your right answer will be option 1, that is the small subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. See, when the small subunit of ribosome encounters an mRNA, the process of translation of the mRNA to protein begins. This process is then followed by the binding of bigger, or we can say larger subunit, and then tRNA is activated by the addition of amino acid prior to the attachment of ribosome in the first phase. Next question. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Ectocarpus fucoxanthin, Eulothrix mannitol, Porphyra floridian starch, Volvox starch. So your correct answer is Eulothrix and mannitol. As we all know that Eulothrix is a member of chlorophyceae, that is green algae. Eulothrix is a member of green algae with reserve food material starch. Mannitol is stored food material of Phaeophyceae, or we can say Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae. Next question, which is the last question. Hydrochloride keratin is obtained from Chlorophyceae or Phaeophyceae, Phaeophyceae or Rhodophyceae, Rhodophyceae only or Phaeophyceae. So your correct answer will be option 3, that is Rhodophyceae only. So now what are hydrocolloids? Hydrocolloids are nothing but water holding substances. For example, keratin. And this keratin is obtained from red algae.